I'm really proud to be in this Martial Work Academy, and which is also included as Estrido. Is this game has been included? It's been a wonderful experience of us in participating in this international.
It was a wonderful experience to play for my country, and I bagged the first place. I played with UAE, Russia, and Iran, and I thank myself for taking my practice so well, and even Chloe man and my parents.
Uh, Due to the support of all my coaches, Wilton De Cruz, he has really put in his hard efforts in bringing us up and coaching us. I had fought with the teams of Iran and Nepal. The final fight was with Iran, and I had participated in Samput Mutkala. And this way of fighting, it includes of throws, kicks, and punches. It was really amazing, and I thank my again. I would like to thank my coaches and also my parents and my family for supporting me. So, if the government would put us into the game, it would be really amazing. Sampurn Mutkala has even throws, which also has an approach towards defense.
आमचो इथं मुखार आमकां आनी एसो फायट्स गोंया मेळपाक आनी गोंयाचो वचून जाता जाल्यार आमकां बरें आहा मुखार फ्युचर बरो आहा बट वी डोंट हॅव टू गो आवटसायड ऑफ गोवा एंड जस्ट गो फॉर वन फायट एंड कम बॅक सो इट्स बेटर लायक इफ यू गेट इट इन गोवा इटसेल्फ.
तूं स्पोर्ट्स वॉटर अपील करता की हो खेळ हितून घालचो म्हणून
it's a full contact fight, so most probably in school games and all they won't it won't come in a school games and all, but still let's see how it goes.
This Estrido Akada, which is also known as Mardani Akada, it shows the Indian culture, and it's an Indian form which the kings and which the royal people of India is to practice, and I appeal to SSG to put this game, include it in the SSG, so that all the students get the benefit of it, and to promote the culture of India. And also it is beneficial for every girl to join martial arts, so that they know to self-defend against any violence which they come through.